All right, what is going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel, and thanks for joining in. So I got a little BMW on BMW crime coming up for you guys. So on my right, let me welcome back the 2020 BMW M340i. Now this car is pretty much almost maxed out. He has a catalyst downpipe, intake, he has port injection and a custom E85 tune, and he's making right around 500 wheel horsepower and about 700 pound-feet of torque. And he's running on 285 Nitto NT555R2 tires, and he's got a little bit of weight reduction. He's got his back seats and trunk gutted. Now these cars weigh around 3,800 pounds, so let's just say he probably shaved off another 50 pounds, give or take. And he's running up against a 2020 BMW M4 CS. Now this car has upgraded intakes, catalyst downpipes, and a midpipe on a stage 2 OTS E30 tune. Now these cars are a little bit lighter, and he's got some weight reduction too. He got his rear seats and trunk gutted as well. So I'm expecting this car to be somewhere around 3,500 pounds, give or take. And as for tires, he's running on Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires, and they're 295 wide. Now I'm gonna guess this car is probably making somewhere around low 500s to the wheels, maybe 530, 540 max. It's my guess. So anyways, so both cars will be taking one passenger. So let's see how it goes. All right, guys. So I'm here in the M340i, and the first race we're gonna do is from 60 miles an hour. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3! Oh, he jumped. All right, we gotta redo that again. He knew he jumped. It's all good. You ready? 1, 2, 3! What roll we're gonna do?
40 no.
All right, guys. Round 2. We're gonna do a 40 roll. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Alright guys, we're finished here. This M340i is pretty quick, especially for a stock turbo. Alright guys, hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Later.